Beneath the turquoise waves of the coral reef lies a battlefield. It's a world of color, beauty, and sudden violence, where hunters don't need size to kill, only precision, camouflage, and lightning reflexes. Today, we dive into the realm of the hunters of the reef, creatures armed with venom, speed, and ancient instincts honed by evolution. Before we begin, tell me, where are you watching from, and what time is it for you right now? And if you love exploring the wildest corners of the ocean, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at coral reefs forever. Number 10. Surgeonfish. The blade-tailed defender. Don't be fooled by the surgeonfish's calm, colorful appearance. Hiding near coral reefs across tropical oceans, these fish carry a secret weapon, a razor-sharp spine on each side of their tails, capable of slicing through flesh. These blades aren't for show. When threatened, the surgeonfish flicks its tail like a knife, cutting through potential predators or even rival fish. The edges are sharp enough to cause deep wounds, which is how they earned their surgical name. Despite their defensive weaponry, surgeonfish are herbivores, grazing peacefully on algae. But that calm demeanor hides a creature fully capable of defending its space when cornered. Divers who have brushed too close know the pain their tails can deliver. Quick, precise, and unforgettable dot in the delicate ecosystem of the reef. Even the peaceful ones carry weapons. Number 9. Mantis shrimp. The bullet punch predator. There's one creature that proves size means nothing. It's the mantis shrimp. Only a few inches long. It has the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, faster than a speeding bullet in just 0.002 seconds. The mantis shrimp's raptorial claws strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, creating shockwaves that can shatter crab shells and even aquarium glass. There are two main types: smashers, which break shells, and spearers, which impale prey with sharp barbed claws. Both are deadly hunters. The mantis shrimp also has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, able to see ultraviolet and polarized light. That means it perceives colors we can't even imagine, giving it precision targeting in the chaotic world of the reef. Scientists study punching mechanism to design stronger materials for body armor. But on the reef, it remains a small, colorful assassin, a perfect example of how danger often hides in beauty. Number 8. Grouper, the ambush giant. Grouper is the silent powerhouse of the reef, a massive ambush predator that can weigh over 400 pounds and swallow prey whole. It doesn't chase, it waits. Using its camouflage, the grouper hides among coral and rocks, motionless until a fish drifts too close. Then, with a single explosive motion, it creates a vacuum, sucking its prey into its massive mouth in less than a second. Groupers have been known to eat parrotfish, lobsters, and even small sharks. Their large, expandable stomachs allow them to consume prey nearly half their size. But the grouper isn't just muscle. It has intelligence, too. Some species have been observed hunting cooperatively with moray eels, using teamwork to flush out prey. When the eel drives a fish out of a crevice, the grouper is waiting right outside, jaws open, ready to strike. On the reef, size may not always be an advantage, but patience and precision turn the grouper into a legend. Number 7. Bluefin trevally, the speed demon. If the grouper is the patient hunter, the bluefin trevally is its opposite, a predator built for speed and agility, shimmering with metallic blues and silvers. This fish is a flash of movement on the reef. It hunts in coordinated groups, driving schools of smaller fish into tight formations before striking, reaching speeds of nearly 40 miles per hour. The trevally streamlined body and sharp vision make it one of the most efficient predators in shallow reef systems. They're relentless, often hunting at dawn or dusk when visibility is low, moments when prey let their guard down. Divers have described watching bluefin trevalies attack like synchronized torpedoes, their scales flashing under filtered sunlight, a reminder that beauty and violence often swim side by side. Number 6. Scorpionfish, the master of disguise, resting motionless among coral, rocks, or sand. The scorpionfish is nearly invisible until it strikes. Its body is covered in frilled fins and mottled skin patterns that allow it to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. When prey comes close, it launches forward with astonishing speed, swallowing its target whole in a split second. But its greatest weapon lies in its name. Venomous spines line its dorsal fins, capable of delivering a sting so painful it can cause paralysis or, in rare cases, death. For divers, stepping too close to a resting scorpionfish can be a costly mistake. The pain from its sting has been described as burning fire under the skin. Despite its lethality, the scorpionfish is a master of patience, proving that in the reef's constant game of survival, stillness can be the deadliest strategy of all. Number 5. Crowned jellyfish, the drifting phantom beneath the sunlit shimmer of tropical waters. A ghostly crown glides in silence, elegant yet unsettling. The crowned jellyfish, named for the regal shape adorning its bell, may look like something out of a dream, but to the smaller creatures of the reef, it's a drifting nightmare. Its bell can span over 2 feet across, rippling with hues of gold, violet, and translucent silver. But beauty here masks lethal precision. From each edge dangled dozens of tentacles armed with microscopic harpoons called nematocysts, capable of stunning prey instantly. The crowned jellyfish doesn't chase. It waits. Slowly pulsing, it draws water through its gelatinous dome, sensing vibrations around it. When an unsuspecting fish brushes against a tentacle, it's over in seconds. Neurotoxins flood the prey's body, paralyzing it before it can even twitch. Despite its delicate appearance, this creature is one of the most efficient hunters in the open reef. But what's more chilling is how it reproduces, capable of producing multiple clones from a single polyp, ensuring that even when one dies, its genetic shadow continues drifting in the current, a symbol of grace and death. The crowned jellyfish is proof that in the reef, beauty often hides the sharpest sting. Number 4. Scorpionfish, the master of disguise, resting perfectly still on the ocean floor. A scorpionfish waits unseen, unreadable, and unbelievably patient. To the untrained eye, it's nothing more than coral rubble. But beneath that disguise lies one of the most venomous fish on the planet. Every fin spine carries a potent neurotoxin, and even a brush against it can send shockwaves of pain through a diver's body. Locals know the danger. One wrong step, one careless movement, and the reef itself can strike back. The scorpionfish doesn't rely on speed. It relies on deception. With a mouth that can open faster than the blink of an eye, it inhales prey whole, shrimp, small fish, even other venomous species. What makes it remarkable isn't just the venom, but how it blends with its environment. It can alter its color and texture to mimic coral heads, seaweed, or even algae-coated stones. Some species have been known to remain motionless for hours, conserving energy until the perfect target drifts within reach. The reef has many predators, but few are as invisible and unforgiving as this one. The scorpionfish is nature's reminder that not every killer needs to move to strike. Number 3. Bluefin trevally. The silver assassin Eve Speed had a face. It would belong to the bluefin trevally, sleek, metallic, and built for ambush. This predator commands the midwater zone like a torpedo with teeth. Its body glistens with an electric blue hue, reflecting flashes of sunlight as it cuts through schools of smaller fish. Often hunting in packs, the bluefin trevally demonstrates coordinated intelligence, circling its prey, driving them into tight clusters, and then striking with surgical precision. Unlike most reef hunters, it doesn't rely on stealth. It relies on shock and chaos. When it attacks, the water erupts, scales scatter, currents swirl, and in seconds, the battle is over. Scientists have observed these fish using tactics similar to wolves, taking turns to attack, exhausting their prey before moving in for the kill. It's not the largest fish in the reef, but it's one of the most feared. 2 smaller species. The flicker of silver in the distance might as well be a death sentence. Number 2. Grouper. The reef titan hidden beneath rocky ledges and coral caves lies the silent giant of the reef. The grouper. Massive, territorial, and capable of swallowing prey half its size in a single gulp. It's one of the apex predators of shallow waters. Groupers are ambush hunters, waiting patiently until the perfect moment. When a smaller fish wanders too close, the grouper strikes with incredible suction power, creating a vacuum that pulls its target straight into its cavernous mouth. Some species, like the Goliath grouper, can reach up to 8 feet in length and weigh more than 700 pounds. Their deep, thunderous calls can even be heard underwater, used to intimidate rivals and claim dominance over territory. What makes the grouper fascinating is not just its strength, but its intelligence. It's one of the few reef predators known to cooperate with other species, teaming up with moray eels during hunts. The eel flushes prey from crevices, while the grouper waits to devour it in open water. This strange alliance shows that in the reef's complex ecosystem, even the strongest predator understands the power of partnership. Number 1. Mantis shrimp. The ultimate reef assassin at first glance. The mantis shrimp looks harmless, small, colorful, almost cartoonish, but beneath its shell hides one of the most deadly and complex predators ever discovered. Its club-like appendages strike with the force of a bullet. Moving so fast, they create tiny cavitation bubbles that explode with heat and light. In the blink of an eye, the mantis shrimp can shatter glass aquariums, crack crab shells, and even break human fingers. But its weapon isn't its only marvel. The mantis shrimp has the most advanced eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of detecting ultraviolet, polarized, and even circularly polarized light. It can see colors that humans can't even imagine, perceiving a world of motion and depth invisible to all others. Each strike is precise, deliberate, and devastating. And unlike most predators, the mantis shrimp isn't satisfied with the chase. It toys with its prey, testing distance and timing before unleashing its fatal blow. This tiny assassin lives alone, fiercely territorial, and feared by everything that swims near its burrow. Scientists often call it the boxing champion of the reef, but to the creatures it hunts, it's more like a silent god of destruction. From venomous ambushers to lightning-fast hunters, the reef is more than just a paradise of colors. It's a battlefield of survival. Each creature, from the stealthy scorpionfish to the unstoppable mantis shrimp, plays its role in maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater world. The next time you see a coral reef glowing under the waves, remember, beneath that beauty lies a world of danger, deception, and ancient instinct. Tell me which of these reef hunters shocked you the most. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the world's most mysterious and dangerous waters.